Hello guys, welcome to day 4. We're doing legs today, starting with some RDLs.
Pause! Before we start with our RDLs, let's know the difference between conventional deadlift and Romanian deadlift. Conventional deadlift and Romanian deadlift look similar, with similar movement pattern, and also both movements have similar emphasis on engaging the posterior chain muscles that includes hamstrings, glutes, and lower back. Romanian deadlift is considered one of the best hamstring exercise, known to target the hamstrings and glutes more than the conventional deadlift. Conventional deadlift is known as one of the kings of exercises, targeting not only your lower body but also the upper body. Second difference would be the range of motion. During the Romanian deadlift, the lifter begins with weight in hand at waist level, descends to shin height with minimal knee bend, and returns to standing position with powerful hip extension. Unlike conventional deadlift, the barbell never touches the floor, maintaining a continuous motion up and down the leg throughout each rep. On the other hand, the conventional deadlift starts from the floor with a hip dominant setup. The lifter pulls the barbell to waist level, achieving a locked out position with a tall stance and powerful hip extension before a controlled descent back to the floor. This movement involves the barbell traveling from ground to waist level and back down with each repetition, engaging various muscle groups. Finally, deadlift is more focused on strength and is more popular among powerlifting and weightlifting community. Moving on from our RDLs, we are working our hamstrings and quad in a superset of leg extension and hamstring curl. It's been months that we have been doing this superset and it just works. Having both the machines together in our gym is just the cherry on top. While doing supersets, we always prefer doing it just 3 sets rather than 4. So every time I say we are doing superset, know that we are doing 3 sets. So this superset is quite intense and also saves a lot of time. While my partner is doing the leg extension, I'm here doing the leg curl and vice versa.
So next in line is hack squat. We opted for hack squat rather than the regular barbell squat.
After our superset, we move on to hack squat. This may come as a controversy, but for our quads, we prefer hack squat over the conventional barbell squat. I feel our quads are more engaged during the hack squat. Not saying the conventional squat doesn't, but while doing conventional squat, our glutes seem to be more engaged than our quads. When I squat, my hip goes back a lot, so my squats are more hip dominant. I really don't want my booty to grow a lot.
Right. Last workout of the day, some seated calf raise.
Finally, to end our workout, we work our calves. Naturally, I seem to have a good calves genetics.
So right now there's something different I like to do while doing calf raise. Rather than going full up, what I do is I go down and I bring till the mid. I feel like this has much more impact on my calves than doing full range of motions from top to bottom.
So I am not really focused on growing the muscle, rather training it for hypertrophy.
So final set, so people do tend to think or ask, what's the best way to do your calf raise? Should you go slow and steady, or should you just pump it up, do it fast range? So what I like to do is I like to do the first, on my last set, what I like to do is I like to do first 10 reps, I go slow. And then I like to just do it until it burns. I like to go fast until it burns. So best of both worlds. Hi. Done with the workout for today. Thank you guys for tuning in today. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Thank you everyone for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated on my weight loss and fat loss journey. Thank you. Bye bye.